Hey guys, there are various problems associated with human body in the form of disease and infections. But Mother Nature also gave us the solution and cure for every disease and infections. Today we are going to talk about a problem which is specially associated with women named as leukorrhea. Leukorrhea, commonly known as whites, which refers to a whitish discharge from the female genital organs. It is an abnormal condition of the female reproductive organs. If not treated properly in initial stages, then it becomes chronic. Investigations have shown that the secretion from the uterus and upper part of the vagina flows down and then reabsorbs in the lower part of the vagina. This is the normal constant flow within the female organs. The whitish discharge is caused by the presence of infection in any of these tissues and a variety of other factors also. The problem continues for weeks or even for months at a time. The symptoms of the leukorrhea can be easily identified. In addition with the white discharge from vagina, the patient also feels weak and tired. She also feels the pain in the lumbar region and calves and also feels a dragging sensation in the abdomen. Other symptoms of leukorrhea are constipation, frequent headaches and intense itching. In chronic form, the patients feel irritable and develop black patches under the eyes. Leukorrhea does not develop suddenly in acute form, it's a slow process. There are various causes of leukorrhea which depends on age, wrong dietary habits and hygienic conditions also. Causes of leukorrhea includes irritation in genital areas because of the various factors like dust, solid undergarments, intestinal worms and excessive mental stimulation of sex and masturbation. Other causes can be anxiety, prolonged illness, neurosis, sedentary occupation and standing for the long periods. Also the displacement of the womb and unhygienic conditions which attracts the bacteria to the genital organs. Now let's talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of this problem. You need two ingredients to prepare the remedy, in which one ingredient is licorice root powder and second ingredient is Indian gossaberry powder. The images of both the herbs is right on your screen and you can also check the description for other names of the herbs. How to prepare this remedy? You need both the powders in equal quantity. For example, if you take 50 gram powder of licorice root, then you should have 50 gram powder of Indian gossaberry also. Means both the powders should be in equal amount. Then mix both the powders very well and after that take the remedy twice in a day. 1 teaspoon of this mixture in the morning empty stomach and 1 teaspoon of this mixture in evening at least 2 hours before dinner. You can have this remedy with lukewarm water. There are some important points which you should remember while following this remedy. The first point is eat lady fingers very frequently, either in boiled form or in other forms which you like to eat. The second important point is you have to make fenugreek leaves or fenugreek seeds to be a part of your regular meal. And third important point is you should not have the problem of constipation. So avoid various foods which cause constipation. Also avoid rice, roasted food and fried food. The last important point is for women with less HB or anemia. They should be extra careful and they should take care of their diet to increase their hemogram. Alright guys, hope you like the video. If you find the video informational and useful, then please share it. Try the remedy and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. For more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.